be clear. Don't you know you see me in here? Don't even fake when I come around. So great, you can see me all day. Put this shit up in your face. I give a damn what hell you got to say. I'm the one that's ripping though. I can see this shit. You wanna jump in the video, but I got this here with me, only me though. Solo wanna act the I never ate it in the team. See this shit, you know what I'm talking about. Got your intervene. Wait on a triple scale. Fuck them, send them all to hell. Who the hell they got this best? Don't you know I hit they shell? Who wanna get when I'm ripping at they heart? I can see the stand deliver. Don't you know you just a mark? I don't care what you talking of. Blazing for the century. Water hit the bit to me. Who wanna hit this G? I can see this shit. You know it's fire to your kerosene. See me when I'm blazing. Never representing on TV. It's me all day. Yeah, this me. I get this shit. You can find me acting some type of way. Yeah, they feel that way. Got this shit up in 4 gauge. Yeah, it's such a parade. We can hit it like it's just a holiday with fireworks. No Katy Perry, no Black Hearse. See the shit I work. $40 in a dough.
Too hot for TV? Still packing, nigga. Always. Packing. Midwest record. Always.
We ain't never gonna stop this shit.
No, nigga. Always. Midwest record.